Friends, now we will discuss multiplication of any number, any given number into the double digit numbers which are ending in 1. Any given number which are multiplying by a double digit number which is ending in 1. That is from 21, 31, 41, okay, up to 91. So with these numbers, how to multiply easily? For example, let us take one number. So 5, 2, 3, 4 into, I want to multiply with 31. For the moment, just ignore this one. Now you are going to multiply with the 3 only. But when you are multiplying by 3, every time you are going to add the left side number or add the left side digit. Why? Because the main number is 3 in 31. Yes or no? So the 3, it is on the left side of the 1. That's why. So we are going to multiply the every digit by the main number 3 at the same time by adding the left side digits. Now see, whenever you are multiplying with this any number by the numbers which are ending in 1, double digits, okay, so the very first step, you need to drop the rightmost digit as it is. That is, what is the number here? Rightmost digit 4. So you simply drop that 4. Now you start multiplying. What is 3 4s? 3 4s are 12. Yes or no? 3 4s 12. 12 plus left side digit. 12 plus 3, add the left side digit. 12 plus 3, 15. So drop 5, carry will be the 1. Now what is 3 3s? 9. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus left side digit. 2. 10 plus 2, 12. So drop 2, carry 1. Now what is 3 2s? 6. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus left side digit you need to add. 7 plus 5, 12. So drop 2, carry 1. Now what is 3 5s? 15. 15 plus 1, 16. So simply drop 6 like this. One more example. Suppose 4786 into say 71. I want to multiply 4786 into 71. First, ignore this one. And what is the very first step you need to follow in this one? When you are multiplying with the double digit numbers which are ending in 1, the very first step is drop the rightmost digit as it is, that is 6. After dropping this number, now you start multiplying with the main digit, that is 7. Now what is 7 6s? 42. 7 6s 42 plus left side digit. 42 plus 8, 50. So carry 5, drop 0. So 7 8s 56. 56 plus 5, 61. 61 plus left side digit. 61 plus 7, 68. So drop 6, carry 6, drop 8. Now what is 7 7s? 49. 49 plus 6, 55. 55 plus left side digit, 59. So carry 5, drop 9. Now what is 7 4s? 28. 28 plus 5, 33. So finally this will be your answer. So like this, even whatever the number, if it is big, it doesn't matter. Suppose 7 8 9 7 9 6, I want to multiply with some 81. I am ignoring this one. Yes or no? Now what is the very first step? Dropping the 6 as it is, the rightmost number. Now start multiplying. 8 6 is 48. 48 plus left side digit, 57. 48 plus 9, 57. Drop 7, carry 5. So 8 9s are 72. 72 plus 5, 77. 77 plus left side, 77 plus 7, 84. So drop 4, carry 8. 8 7s are 56 plus 9, 65. So 8 7s are 56 plus 8. 56 plus 8, 64. 64 plus 9, 73. So drop 3, carry 7. So 8 9s are 72. 72 plus 7, 79. 79 plus 8, 87. So drop 7, carry 8. Now 8 8s are 64. 64 plus 8, 72. 72 plus 7, 79. So 8 8s are 64. 64 plus 8, 72. 72 plus 7, 79. So drop 9, carry 7. So finally 8 7s are 56. 56 plus 7, 63. So your answer is 639,734,76. Okay, so we'll take one more example here. 3246 0 into some say 31, no, not 31, let us take 61. So leave this one, drop the 0 as it is. Now so start multiplying. 6 zeros are 0, 0 plus 6, 6, 6 6 are 36, 36 plus 4, 40, 6 4 are 24, plus 4, 28, 28 plus 2, 30, 6 2 are 12, 12 plus 3, 15, 15 plus 3, 18, 60 is 18, 18 plus 1, 19. Okay, so like this we can multiply any given number into double digit numbers which are ending in ones. So we'll move to the next technique now. So friends, in our next technique, that is multiplication by factors. Suppose if you want to multiply a number, say let us take some 3 4 7 6 4 into 28. I want to multiply to this one. Of course you can multiply, but the another way is, you know that 28, it is a factors of 4 and 7. Yes or no? Yes. So what you will do, you first multiply this number with 4 by using balancing technique. So what is a balancing technique? We already know. See, okay, so 4 4 is 16, 1 carry, 24 plus 1 25, 2, 28 plus 2 30, 3, 16 plus 3 19, 1, 12 plus 1 13. So your answer is 139056 if you multiply this number by 4. Yes or no? Right? So one more time explaining. So since the 28 is a in 4 and 7 are factors of 28, what I am going to do, I am first multiplying the given number by 4. Okay, so if I multiply by 4, how will I get? So what is 4 4s are 16, drop 6, carry 1. Now what is 4 6 are 24. 24 means 24 plus 1 carry 25. So drop 5, carry 2. 4 7s are 28. 28 plus carry 2, 30. Drop 0, carry 3. Now 4 4s are 16. 16 plus 3, 19. Drop 9, carry 1. So next 4th is 12. 12 plus 1, 13. So finally, when I multiply this number by 4, I got 139056. But actually this is not my answer. Now again multiply this number by 7. So see here, 7 6 are 42, 4 carry, 35 plus 4, 39, 7 zeros are 0 plus 3, 3, 7 9s are 63, drop 3, carry 6, 7 3s are 21 plus 6, 27, 7 1s are 7 plus 2, 9. So finally this will be your answer if you multiply 34764 into 28. One more example. 724,869 into, say some I want to multiply a number by 32. I want to multiply this number by 32. Now see, I don't know the 32 table. So what I will do, I will simply divide this number into two factors, that is 4 and 8. First I will multiply this number by 4. So 4 9s are 36, 3 carry, 4 6 are 24 plus 3, 27, 2 carry, 4 is a 32 plus 3, 32 plus 4 is a 32 plus 2, 34, 3 carry, 4 4 is a 16, 16 plus 3, 19, 4 2 is a 8 plus 1, 9, 4 7 is a 28. If I multiply this number by 4, I got this number. Now, but even this is also not my answer. Now again multiply this number by 8. Now 8 6 are 48, 4 carry, 8 7 are 56 plus 4, 60, 6 carry, 8 4 are 32 plus 6, 38, 3 carry, 8 9 are 72 plus 3, 75, 7 carry, 8 9 are 72 plus 7, 79, 7 carry, 8 is a 64 plus 7, 71, 7 carry, 8 to the 16, 16 plus 7, 23. So finally this will be my answer if I multiply this number by 32. That means if you are very fast at until 9 tables, okay, it is very easy to calculate like this. No need of even taking the strain, okay, to multiply double digit into this big number. Okay, so you can divide the number into factors and then multiply the factors slowly. Okay, so it will be very easy to you. Okay, now we will move to the next techniques in our Vedic maths.